In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Claude Code for automation scripts. This guide will explain what automation scripts entail and how to streamline your scripting process using Claude Code, enhancing your workflow. Automation scripts typically involve a variety of tasks in real projects. These tasks may include renaming hundreds of files, cleaning CSV or JSON data, auto-generating reports, deploying scripts, processing logs, scraping internal dashboards, creating CI/CD helpers, and making batch API calls. Claude Code is not designed to run automation for you, but rather to assist in writing and improving scripts more efficiently. Begin by deciding which programming language suits your needs best. You can choose Python, which is optimal for file operations, APIs, and data processing. Alternatively, Node.js is ideal for front-end build and JavaScript environments, while Bash is suitable for simple operating system tasks. Most professionals prefer Python for automation due to its versatility and extensive libraries. Next, you will create a script file. Open your terminal and execute the command Mercadia automation to create a new directory. Then navigate to this directory by typing camel, kat, a new Python script by typing touchclean_logs.py. Once the file is created, open it in Visual Studio Code for editing. When using Claude Code, it is crucial to formulate specific prompts. For example, instead of asking for a vague automation script, provide a detailed request such as write a Python script that scans a folder called logs, deletes files older than 7 days, and prints how many were deleted. It must work on Windows. Being precise allows Claude to generate better results. Here is an example of a real script that Claude could generate for log cleanup. The script imports necessary libraries, defines the log folder and age limit, checks if the folder exists, and iterates through the files, deleting those older than 7 days. To execute this script, run the command python clean_logs.py in your terminal. This demonstrates practical automation in action. For batch renaming files, you can prompt Claude with a request like write a Python script that renames all files in a folder called images to image_001.jpg format. Claude will generate a script that systematically renames each file in the specified folder, ensuring a consistent naming convention. This method exemplifies how professionals automate bulk tasks efficiently. If you need to automate API calls, you can ask Claude to create a script that reads user IDs from a file and sends GET requests to an API endpoint. The resulting script will handle reading from the file and iterating through the user IDs, making requests to the specified API. This enables automation of API testing, saving time and effort. Once you've written your script, you can further improve it using Claude Code. You might ask for enhancements like adding error handling, implementing logging, making it asynchronous, optimizing performance or refactoring it to meet production standards. Claude excels in refining scripts to ensure they are robust and efficient. To turn your script into scheduled automation, you can use Windows Task Scheduler, create a basic task, set the trigger to daily, and specify the action as starting a program. Input PyFarner as the program and the full path to your script as the argument. For Linux users, you can edit the cron tab with the command crontab-e and add an entry to run your script at a specific time. This final step completes the automation process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.